Hello everybody, welcome to these video tutorials in rhythm. My name is Bundgård. I am an associate professor in oral training at the Royal Danish Academy of Music. This is my colleague Erik Højsgaard, professor in oral training, also at the Royal Danish Academy of Music, and the author of this great book Rhythm that we are working with in these video tutorials. This video tutorial, however, is not about a specific chapter. It's actually the app. The app. Yeah. There is an app that comes that you can purchase on App Store that is, I would go as far as to call it indispensable, especially when it comes to the more difficult parts, exercises in the book. This app is really indispensable, a huge help. So Erik, please tell us a little bit about the functions in this app. How does it work?
We'll begin with a screenshot here. And the first thing you will see is that we have 4 sections, and we'll focus on the exercises as the first.
And exercises referring to the exercises in the book.
In the book.
Yeah.
If you, in an exercise, right before the metronome marking, have a symbol of a metronome, it refers to that you can use this app here as a help.
Yeah. That there is a click track actually that you can play along to this specific exercise.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's
So let's have a look at this.
Yep.
So if you click on this, you can see there's not all the exercises in the book, because many exercises you can use a normal metronome because you have a steady pulse. These are only for the irregular pulse. So let's have a look at 58. We'll click on this. And when we do this, we'll see this picture here. So first of all, you'll see you can change the tempo, the speed, if you like. Then there's information. We'll count in 3 bars before the anacrusis. In the top right, you'll have a tuning fork.
Yeah.
If you are doing this,
which, if you're singing with the melody, you will get the 440 A.
Exactly.
Yeah.
After this, you are ready to click on Start. Should we try to do
let's
this?
try.
So, let's see. Here we have the app. We have exercise 58. So, we'll now click on exercise, click on 58, and we'll click on Start. Exactly. So you can see the metronome here will follow the exercise like this.
Very nice.
Yeah.
But it can do more than that.
It can do even more.
Your app.
Yeah. The second section is very simple. It's a normal metronome. It can only play the sound, or it can play a little light instead.
If you want it without sound, you turn off the loudspeaker and turn on the flash, and then you see the pulse lighting up. Perhaps
the most simple metronome.
Yeah.
And
you have a more here, games.
Yeah, a little game. Tap the pulse.
Yeah.
When you open this, you see the number 100. So your task will be to find the tempo 100. And how can you do this? You can do it tapping on your phone. There's a pad here where you can tap your suggestion of the pulse.
I think I'll give it a try, Erik, actually.
You dare?
Yeah, I dare.
Yeah. That's okay.
92.
I think that's okay. So let's see how it happens when I do it. Here, you can choose between showing 1 beat or an average of 5, 10, and 20 beats. Yeah. My favorite is 10 beats, I guess.
And what I just did was actually 5 beats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I did with 10 beats, and I was a little closer, 94.
But you are also the professor.
Yeah. So when we have practiced this for years, we are perhaps able to find 100.
Yeah.
So this was the one game.
Yeah.
There's the other game here, guess the tempo. And you can see, you can choose easy, medium and hard. And you can choose press for new example. Then the phone will play a pulse for you and you have to guess the metronome number.
And when it's easy, you don't get all the possibilities. No. And when it's hard, you get all the possibilities. Yeah.
Let's try to see what happens here. We'll have maybe the easy one, or I think we'll have the mid. No, we'll have the hard, I think.
Okay,
this one.
All right.
And we'll press for new example.
Yeah.
It will be 80, I think.
You think so?
Yeah. I was so lucky.
How did you know?
Sometimes you have a very good metronome feeling day, sometimes a really bad. So you can also encounter this. When we press for new example, I guess 96, and it shows incorrect. I try 108, also incorrect. Let's see, I try, and then it loses its patience.
Yeah.
It was 144.
Okay.
So I think, like you can practice or try to actual pitch.
Yeah.
You can also have an absolute metronome feeling, and it's really good.
Yeah.
If you can.
If you can develop this absolute. Yeah. Tempo skill, and
sure.
and they are good fun, these games here. But coming back to the exercises in the book. Oh yes, before we go there, who's this beautiful girl in the picture here, Erik?
In fact, this is my daughter, Marie.
And your daughter here, Erik, Marie. Why is she in this video tutorial?
Because we had a Christmas evening together. During the corona, and she gave me a present, and it was this app. Marie, she is a mathematician and software engineer, and this was one of the best gifts I ever had.
Yeah, not just you, Erik, actually all of us, we are forever in debt to Marie that she programmed this app that once again I think is indispensable, especially in the more difficult exercises in the book. It's really a huge help. And maybe we should should we try and show one of the more difficult exercises in this book?
Do this.
It's 302.
302.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's have a look at that.
Yeah. So it looks like this. You'll see it's the exercise is the same as in the book, but you can see I have added something to this.
Yeah.
Because I think it's difficult.
So all these arrows and warning symbols are your own warning signs to help yourself. Yeah,
I know when there's a warning sign, that's where I usually make a mistake. And the arrows up, faster tempo, arrows down, slower tempo. And you also have added the house and triangle to show the irregular subdivisions of the irregular time signatures.
Yeah, and we will not explain about this particular rhythm now. We will just do it and with the metronome app and show you how it works in the more difficult parts of the book. How it's a big help.
Yeah,
let's give it a try.
So we'll give it a try. So here we have exercise clicking on 302, counted in 1 bar. Ba 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 da dee da da dee da da ba 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 da 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 ba da dee da da dee ya da da dee ya da ba da ba da da ba da dee da 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 dee ya da ba dee ya da dee da ba 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 ba. Da da dee da da dee da dee da dee da dee da dee da da. da, ba, ba, da, di, da, da, ba, da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Exactly. Except my conducting pattern in bar 9.
Yeah.
But you know, if you make a mistake, just continue.
Yeah.
You can always correct your mistakes afterwards.
Yeah. Once again, this is a more difficult rhythm with irrational time signatures and many tempo changes here. So,
maybe we will have a tutorial about the irrational time signatures later on.
Maybe there will be a tutorial on that. Yeah, that's definitely a possibility.
Yeah.
This was a tutorial about Rhythm, the app. Thank you once again for watching. Now the app can be purchased only on App Store, and the book, as always, available by clicking in the links below: Danish, English and Italian, and ebook in Danish and English. Thank you again for watching and following these tutorials, and until the next time.
Bye bye.